Go to the settings, account settings, all are cleared, notifications, all are opens, mentions, activity on my channel, activity on my comments, playback and performance, language, playback, subtitles, videos previews, downloads, and that one is the privacy. It's about the mention and the live chats, super chats, ads on YouTube, connected apps. They are the apps who want to connect to you in your profile. Billing and payments. Now going to advanced second. User ID, channel ID. That was the point you can delete your channel and move your channel. Okay.